by this rule or standard. Rule number 1 says that singular subject takes a singular verb. Very correct. And rule number 1 says that singular subject takes singular verb. And we consider numbers of examples in that class. For instance, we say the dash so say A, then the answer will be what? Reads. Because our subject here is one, which is singular. Then our verb is what? Singular. Because reads is the singular form of read. So that's what the first. Yes, in terms of verb. So, and we established the fact that the way noun word form its plural is different from the way verb words form its plural. Are you getting it? Now, grammatically, words under verb class form its plural singular by addition of s. Are you getting it? While it forms its plural by dropping of an s. So in singular, in the plural form of verb, the s here you automatically drop. That is the standard. That is the rule. Then while in forming the singular form of a verb, that root word will take an s, just as we have here. So because we can't say the name read mystery books, because the word read is plural and our subject here is singular. So there should be egalitarianism between the subject of the sentence and the verb. They are not the same. Here we have the father and the mentor, two different subjects. So in this structure, the father and the mentor are two different persons. That is computer structure. The father and the mentor. Now look at this place. The boy here is singular. So you don't have business with the complement or objects of a sentence. If we have s here, the answer is still are. Then here, if we remove this s, your answer is still is. So your interest should be on the subject of the sentence and the predicate of verb. Plural subject takes plural verb. So rule number 3 says that when two singular subjects are connected together by conjunction and addressing the same person or one thing, then your verb will be. The father and mentor of the boys. The father and mentor of the boys dash expected shortly. The father and mentor of the boys dash expected shortly. So the answer will be what? Because the father and mentor is one person. Therefore, our subject is singular. That is what the table is saying. To understand contextual usage and contextual analysis or structure. Now look at this. They are not the same. Here we have the father and the mentor, two different subjects. So in this structure, the father and the mentor are two different persons. That is contextual structure. The father and the mentor. Now look at this place. The boy here is singular. So if you don't have business with the complement or objects of a sentence, if we have S here, the answer is still R. Then here, if we remove this S, your answer is still is. So your interest should be on the subject of the sentence and the predicates of them. But this singular subject and this singular is talking of one person. So it means that making them together gives you singular subjects. Then your verb is singular. Singular subjects are connected by conjunction. The same person, describing the same person or thing or topic. The pronoun must be singular. Example, the commission and principle, his opinion on the matter. So now rule number 6. When the subject of a sentence is separated from the verb by this clause or phrase.
When the subject of a sentence is separated from the verb by this clause or phrase.
Yes. By any of these. Along with or as well as. The verb must be singular.